Hi, I'm Liz Barbatelli, linen stylist and owner of Braun Co, Beverly Hills. Welcome to my mid-century modern crazy home. So this home is a little bit crazy with all sorts of different period pieces, antiques, all kind of mixed together. So when you first walk in my house, you notice the outside coming in and all the light. We love the open and airy feeling to it. I came from a small bungalow in West Hollywood, and so this was a welcome change. You'll notice the big light fixture that looks very modern, but it has a mid-century feel to it, but again, adds an element of design as well as practicality. And I'm all about form and function. Speaking of form and function, I like everything, including linens as well as objects that you have, your furnishings, to be practical as well as beautiful. Because what's the point of having fun in your house if you can't use it? I love this dining room because it's elevated from the living room, so it has a really cool feel to it. When guests come over, of course, it's natural to sort of congregate here or congregate in the kitchen, but I like to move them around the house a little bit. It's easy because I did flooring throughout the house, all terrazzo floors, so that there's no delineation between rooms. I love to mix the old with the new. So here I put a very new, modern outdoor table, so it's great. I can reuse it outside at another house if I want to, with these antique chairs that my parents brought back from England. So here we are in my bedroom. It's a very peaceful room. As a linen designer and stylist, I always like to have pretty and soft and tactile pieces surrounding me, whether it's soft velvets or these beautiful cashmere throws. It's always necessary to have a throw to pull over you while you're reading or napping on a cool evening. There are a lot of ways that you can make your bed. Here I have a very simple setup because it's summer. I like things to be a little bit lighter. So for me, I think you should have the best fabric that you can get, and you can create this sanctuary of sleep for yourself. Thanks for coming. I hope you enjoyed the tour, and we'll see you around.
Well, that was so much fun, but the fun doesn't have to end here. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the best open house has to offer.